Welcome to Rose Banks, an exciting new development of traditional 2, 3 and 4 bedroom homes. Rose Banks lies on the edge of the cathedral city of Wells and is situated between Glastonbury, Bristol and the beautiful rolling Mendip Hills, making it the perfect location to live and enjoy life. Rose Banks is a development made up of 220 new homes, of which Taylor Wimpey are building 110. The full development will be built over the next 3 years and when complete will also offer 26 acres of open public space, with footpaths, benches and children's play areas. This is a unique feature of the development which we really envisage bringing the community together. All of our homes have been designed with flexible living in mind, with accommodation to suit all lifestyles, from open plan kitchen dining areas, spacious living rooms, or the ability to work from home. Our homes have something for everyone. Our 3-bedroom home, the Braxton, is our 3-storey, 3-bedroom home, which benefits from a lovely front-facing living room and has a private staircase leading up to the main bedroom, also offering a spacious ensuite bedroom. The Amersham is ideal for growing families and features an integrated garage and dedicated study. Our 4-bedroom homes have good-sized double bedrooms, the flexibility with separate reception rooms which could easily be used as a study, designated dining room or second living room. Thank you for watching and I look forward to welcoming you to the development very soon. To get in touch, either call us or email us at rose.banks@taylorwimpey.com.